Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a Snapchat link in your Facebook account. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Before opening up the Facebook app, go to your Snapchat, and from there you can see your username on your Snapchat. Just remember that name and then open up the Facebook app, tap on your profile, go to edit profile, scroll down, and here you can see links. Just tap on add, and here you can see add social link. Let me select the platform, and here I go. I can select Snapchat right here. So I selected Snapchat, and now here I'm gonna put my username, whatever it is. Now if you want to private your social link, just tap on that privacy icon, and here you can tap on only me. You can show this to your friends also. So this is how you can add your Snapchat link in your Facebook account. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.